G'day guys, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today is the 6th of September 2024, Friday. Let's start with this chart. We are still macro bullish. If you look at the total overview from that perspective, we have gold. Sometime back we said this is all right, making assumptions somewhere around here. Let me just do that. At the 1.618, and you can see pretty much that's the main resistance. And so we're consolidating under 1.618. And that's the resistance. Let's put the other two in and see if that makes any difference. But that's my approach. A big macro cup and handle. This is the handle part. You need to refer to the other charts. Let's say the measured move. Fib 1, and this is the range height. You can say potentially that is that measured move. Being conservative. That's one way of looking at this. So that's the next level of interest once this breaks out. And if we count the ABC type of Elliott wave count, that is our base. And let's just get out our Elliott wave count, just an assumption. If that's our A, that's our B, that's our C, we're going to get a D and potentially a pullback for E, and then up it goes. So it's the last stages. That is our liquidity level there. So price will get our D, pull back, and the 0.618 or the 0.5, and then that is our wave 1. That'll be a wave 2. That is my thoughts. And then we continue on, and there's a few Fibonacci ways of looking at that. So let's look at this in a small time frame. Let's see how we get values here and how we can trade it. Looking up close, we got our TPO volume fixed volume tool for this range, and you will notice some confluence. If we get this naked point of control, you can see how, and the value area high right there, you can see that band as the main resistance. Yes, we go wick above it, but we haven't broken through it. So that's one aspect to it, that is a main resistance. Here is our liquidity level. So many shorts have come in, so that will be a good target. Let's just chuck that in, liquidity level. Now we're having some ideas what's going on. Let's put our Fibonacci into this as well. And maybe it's a 786 level. Yep, it does fit perfectly. That's our 1, that's our 0. So we've got fib levels here. You can probably short this if it comes back down, comes below this level, neckline, then you short it. But this level is going to be strength, so it could still do that. So the short term wise, you have this potential bull flag playing out. Does a move, and then if we look at that level, because it's all-time high, likely to get a wick and then pull back for our E level. I would like to see that happen, and then maybe either here with a golden ratio, or further down. We pull this down here, and we have the 0.5 roughly in there, and the golden ratio there, which is previous support, because it's at the last phases of this range. So we're expecting something. If you could probably start averaging in. If it does that, there is that slight possibility that this is the shakeout area where it's volatility and it stays above this blue box. If it keeps staying above, then you might want to average in at the dips. Just depends what kind of formation it takes. This is the 1 hour chart, and then we see it break out, and I think it will break out in a strong way, very similar to the previous breakout, something like here. So we've got range, and then it breaks out. So it's got A, B, C, and we might just do that A, B, and a C. Another move or 5-way count in a bigger way. But yes, this looking positive, looking bullish, and guess what? The US dollar is dropping, or the Dixie is dropping. So let's have a quick look at that. You can see from a daily perspective, US dollar is pretty much dropping. Yes, that is a nice level here, previous level of support. That was a liquidity grab and back up again. This one's dropped below. It's actually come back up, so it might just do this though. Yeah, I don't see it going far. Can we do a volume profile on the US dollar? I don't think we can. See if we can get. So this is where we're going to get the golden ratio as resistance and probably drop down. Otherwise, we're going to still range. There's that possibility that it just stays there. It's the last phase and then drop in there. So that's like, if that's the case, then gold is likely to keep going up as well. So a small time frame, that is a bull flag. Yeah, a small time frame, it's a bull flag, and we're going to go up. And you can see how that the all-time high. I remember doing this range as a target based on the cup and handle. So if we go back a bit, let's just do this, hide all this. We had a measured move, I believe. So if this is our cup, all the way down, give or take. That is a minimum target there. And if we get to the neckline, that is the potential target. So gold is, in my opinion, much more to go. This is our cup and handle, guys. If you haven't seen the previous, I think, post, that is our cup. That is our handle. So you can see how this is working out. Nice cup and handle continuation pattern. It took only what? 2011. In 13 years to get to this point. So and the dollar is just printing, so that makes gold go up. BRICS is buying up gold, so gold is likely to continue going up. Gold is a good long-term means of storing wealth at this point. Fiat is not backing it up. The US has stuffed it up. So there you go. I think gold is going to go up to minimum is 2947. Let's see how that works out, and potentially 3,400 and something as the maximum target before we get another corrective wave. My thoughts are like this with 80 wave count. It just comes out, right? That's 1, that's 2, wave 3, potentially 4, and a 5. Yeah, that's what it looks like. We having all these. This is a big move. On the smaller time, we have 1, 2, pretty much 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Those are my thoughts, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.